Hello, this is James again from Demark. Today we're going to introduce you a demonstration of 2 kilowatts laser cleaning machine, continuous type. Okay, now let's turn on the switch and you can see the arm light. And now let's change the parameters. So we choose 200 millimeters weights. It can be up to 300 millimeters. And save the parameters. We check the water chiller temperature. Now it's good temperature for the laser. Okay. So let's see the laser head. We turn on the cover of the laser head. It's a protective system. Turn on the laser. So there is a plate or rust. Now let's clean. Okay, turn on the laser. You can see it's clean. The rust is very fast and clean. Then let's go back. Disable the laser and switch off the system. Put back the head and turn off the switch. Now this machine is still in USA and also local service in the USA and many other countries. Thank you for your time for watching this video, and if you have any questions, contact us.